All right, let's move on to speaking part two. Describe something that you did with someone. You did means an activity that you did with someone or a group of people. Please.
So it was a time back then when I was in college. I used to had a lot of friends, and we pranked each other a lot and spent and had a quality time together. One day I decided to prank one of my best friends along with my other friends. During the break, he went outside for a while, I think in the cafeteria, and when he came back, we were holding our positions, and as soon as he stepped in the class, I jumped over him and covered him with the jacket, and all my friends started to hit him. And after I removed the jacket, I thought he wasn't feeling very well. He wasn't feeling very well. I regretted that decision, and I even apologized him. And that decision will haunt me forever.
Okay, that's all right, but just try to talk about something else instead of this,
Sorry,
prank.
it was something. It could be anything, right?
Yeah, it could be anything, but it should be something positive, right? Not hitting your friend. Anyways, let's go on. Speaking part three. Do you prefer to try new activities?
Yes, of course. I'd like to try new activities. I think with my friends. Of course, I do have friends right now, and I go outside with them, and I have picnic with them and other things. And I would surely like to try something new with them in the near future.
Do you prefer? Do you try new activities at least once a year?
I think it's not once. I do it. It's more than once. I have a lot of plans with my friends every year. We go to new places and discover new things. We have a Changamanga Forest next to our city, and every month we go there.
Thank you so much. So stick to the main topic. Overall, it's fine. For part two, select something which is decent, because they're going to monitor you closely. So you should talk about something which is fine. Okay.
Sir, it was reading something, so I.
All right, no problem. Thank you.